Hi guys, it's Research Labs. My name is Frol. Today we're gonna talk about your money. If you want to invest in it in crypto, if you want to speculate, how can you do it really wise? What should you do? How do you separate? I'll give you like an example. If we had like $1,000, how would I diversify them and how I would use them to make like the maximum profits, to use it for like 100%. But before this video starts, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It will really helps me a lot now and in the future. And if you subscribed, like, you're sure that you won't miss any of new upcoming cool gaming projects, platforms and tips for beginners. Let's go. So guys, as I said, let's take for an example that, for example, I have $1,000. What I will do with them now in like 2025, today was like 5th February, what I would do with them, how would I diversify them, where I would use them, how would I use them. So let's get into it. First of all, I would divide it into like 4 parts. So into like 25% each will go in like different ways. So we got $1,000. If we got 25% of them, it's $250. So it will be 4 ways here how to diversify your money. So we got $1,000, 25% of them I would use properly in the trading. So $250 we're using in a trading. So we're looking for trends, we're finding a new cool altcoins. I'll give you some of them which I would buy now, which I bought just like recently, which I believe in, and now we got our market reversing, so maybe it's a really good time to invest, to trade, to speculate. Yeah, so $250 I would use for trading, and I will split it also. I would split it and use like $125, so 12.5% of our capital amount I will use for trading, like in fundamentally strong coins, for example, buying Bitcoin, buying an Ethereum, buying maybe, I don't know, not Cardano, yeah, let's say like BTC and Ethereum. I would use in fundamentally strong coins that is not like falling for 30% in a day, where you won't lose much of your money, and maybe even I will trade them with some kind of leverage. Yeah, it's maybe like X2, X3, not more if you're a beginner. If you like have experience in trading and stuff, maybe you can use a leverage like X5, maybe even X10. Yeah, so I will trade only BTC and ETH. Yeah, and maybe for kind of short periods, for maybe 5 days, 4 or 5 days, maybe week, maybe 2 weeks. So like I'll try with this 20.5% of my amount, trying to catch like a huge movings of the whole market with the BTC and Ethereum. But like and so I won't be thinking about, oh my god, what if it drops like 30% in a day. So another 20.5% I will use to trade in the more risky coins, maybe with more leverage, like X10, X50, X20. Even if you're a beginner, use just only like X4, X5, not more than that. So I'll use them to trade for altcoins, and I'll give you like the top 3 of my favorite altcoins. First one is a Matic Network, as you know, is a layer 2 for Ethereum. You can trade it. I believe it has a really huge potential. It's like the second coin which the OpenSea based on, and it has like its own market, a lot of games upcoming in it, a lot of like platforms, a lot of gaming projects are looking for it. So they got a huge fundamental. We got a cool sign here as well that they will like turn on and start growing. So that's my first altcoin I would trade. So my second altcoin I will use my $125 in is an AVAX. It's one of the coolest coins, I believe. They got like fastest transactions, very low fees. It's a really strong network. We got a lot of cool games on it. Really, every project I've seen on this coin is like really huge, really strong. They all got huge fundamental, and I believe all the developers soon will look at them, like will take a closer look at them, and this coin can just skyrocket, and we see the whole market is turning up, and AVAX is turning up as well. So maybe they will can like grow even more than just a Bitcoin or Ethereum. So yeah, that is my second altcoin. And the third one, of course, is a Solana. Solana is really high, like it has really high volatility. It's just all the time goes like up down up down up down. Be really careful with her. But again, Solana has a huge potential. We got like tons of the art collections on the Solana. We got like tons of games. It's really hyped coin. It's like a number 2 Ethereum, hyped as well. Got a lot of platforms as well, a lot of marketplaces, a lot of collections, but with really low fees. So you can mint, you can trade, you can, I don't know, speculate on some stuff. Yeah, again, they got a turnover. Maybe it's a good time to invest in it, to just buy it. And like, if we're talking about this 25% of your capital, about $250. So as I said, half of them we're using for the strong fundamental coins such as BTC, SF, and another half, 20.5%, we're using for trading in altcoins, like more risky trading. You can use your own strategy. You can just invest. So for example, you can see a good point of enter. You're just entering here and you're just waiting for like 30%, I don't know, 40%, and you don't trade, you don't moving fast. You just like investor, just invested, waiting for your profits, and then you close your deals. That's the first way. Second way, you just can trade. You just can trade like using the day trading strategy. So get like 5%, you close the deal, got 5%, you close the deal, long short, long short. You can use it as you like, as you want. It's absolutely up to you, but use for your trading stuff only 25% of your capital. Another parts must be divided into like another groups. So another 25% of our tokens, 250, or not tokens, money, 25% of our money, another $250 I would use in staking. That's like 100% for sure, maybe even more. You can like change a bit these parts. Because it's like a passive income for us. Doesn't matter what you're doing, doesn't matter where you're losing or something, you will get your tokens in time, like every week, maybe every month. So it's like not a big deal. It's a passive income. It's a very important. It will protect you if, for example, you're making a lot of bad decisions in trading, you're just losing money. But when you staked your money for a good APY, for a good like amount of tokens, they just got your money back a little bit, so you're not in such a big like minus. You haven't lost like a lot of your money, you lose some part of them, but the staking just give it back to you, I can say like that. So yeah, staking, I'm highly recommending 100% staking from Illuvium. Now it's like currently closed, but when they got staking V2 for 100% for sure, you just go here, you stake your coins, you can stake all of your like 25%, all of $250 here. It's not so much, it will be, APY will be like 30, maybe 40%, but it's still cool. And this huge game, for sure you will get your money. And remember that when you're staking something, you can earn not just from staking itself, from APY, you can even earn from the course of the token. Like if it's rising, you get your money for passive income, and also you win on the course as well. So for example, like you staked, you got the, I don't know, $100 from staking in a month, and also you got like plus 10% in a staked amount. Keep that in mind. So yeah, Illuvium I highly recommend to stake. That's like one of my favorite pools. Another one, like I will stake here for sure some amount of my money. It's Sin City staking pool. They will launch like in 4 days. I'm really waiting for them. I believe there will be like 200, maybe 300% of pool staking. So if it won't be like LP staking, it will be like normal staking. I will go here and stake my money, like for sure. That's too a very good option for passive income, because it's a big game, it's like strongly fundamental, it's really hyped. So yeah, that's another cool pool staking. So guys, it can be any project that you like, any gaming project, any platform, pool staking, just stake where you like. I highly recommend do not stake everything in one pool, in one coin. It will be good if you had like 2 or 3 staking pools, so your money is separated, it's diversified as well in staking, so you're not really connected into like only one project, only one pool, and if their tokens to go down, all of your money go down, all the part of your money is go down. So yeah guys, and keep in mind that we don't really interesting in this kind like LP staking farm, because farm is really highly dangerous. That's not what we're looking for. This APY can changing like any day. One day it can be like 300%, another day it can be like 100%, another day it could be 20%. It's really up to course of token, it's really up to liquidity. It's kind of complicated. Don't stake in farm. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little part, but my recommendation, do not stake in farm. Just go to the normal pools, to the like casual normal staking, and stake your money there. Again, you can choose any project that you like, but it must be really strong fundamental. Their token must be growing and not dumping a lot. Keep that in mind. So yeah, what do we have for now? 50% of our money is currently using, 25% we're trading, 25% are staking, they generating for us and passive outcome. So what about another 50%? 25% of your money, so another $250, I would use in a gaming project. Like for sure, you can buy heroes, I don't know, you can buy gaming tokens. It's kind of risky. You must be ready that you can lose it all, that project can be scammed, that the price of token can go down like 60%. It's in one day. Gaming industry, the blockchain gaming industry is really risky nowadays. It's like it's so easy to lose all of your money here, but still here we got the really fast, like we can really x2 our double our money, triple our money in just a few days. We can get like a crazy amount of procents and all other stuff. So yeah, another $250, another 25% of your budget you just go and use in games. Again, you're buying heroes, you're buying, I don't know, maybe weapons, you're buying tokens. You can just buy heroes, go play them and try to get your money back, and then like double your money. In playing, you can just buy heroes and then speculate with them on a marketplace. You can try to speculate on a token if you don't have so much time to play. Yeah, and nowadays it's like really a lot of cool gaming projects like Lunar Rush, like Token and Thieves. Okay, Uno's DAO didn't went so well so far, but maybe they'll like turn over. I don't know. So yeah, just look for gaming projects, just analyze it. There was a video before how do you analyze gaming projects, and use 25% of your money in gaming projects, because nowadays it's just a cool opportunity to earn. And what about the last 25% of our money? What should we do with them? Actually, I would say you should do nothing. Like it must be only in cash, maybe like not in cash. It could be like only dollars on a Binance or on any exchange. Like what do you like, what do you use, doesn't matter. So it must be in dollars, maybe in the crypto dollars, doesn't matter. So you have a cash on your hands like all the time. So 25% currently we're not using them all the time, we're holding them for the great opportunities, because sometimes the market give us just a huge opportunities, like Bitcoin is turning over, a new gaming project just dropped off, or we got like a crazy drop on a Binance NFT where we can like triple our money, x5, x10 them, I don't know. A lot of great opportunities coming almost like every day, every week, and you need a huge amount of money for it. So you just keep this $250 for opportunities like that. But again, you use it just only when you see a really like 100% opportunity. So for example, a new game just came off and like one hero there is about $300, and you just like 120% sure that it will like doubled in a few days, or you just saw a huge cool collection on OpenSea, and you're just like 100% sure it will go up, but NFTs there is kind of like expensive, so you can use this amount of tokens just to buy some collections, just to flip it, but only when you see a great opportunity. So guys, that's how I would divide it up my money. That's how currently I divided them for now. If you're a beginner, that's a really cool way to divide them. So again, first of all, we got the trading. We divide them into 4 parts. 25%. If we got $1,000, we divide to 25%. First 25% we use in a trading. Half of them we use for the fundamentally strong coins that are not dumping, like for the huge percentages, for 30 or 40% like BTC or ETH. Another half we're using for altcoins, and we can use them with the big leverage as well. So another 25% we're using for staking. It could be one pool, it could be a few pools, as you like. Just check the projects, it must be really strong fundamentally. Another 25% of tokens we're using in the gaming platforms, buying heroes. Even you can use it in flipping. You can go to the Solana. I don't know, $250 is not so much for the OpenSea, but you can use on like Solana flipping or maybe wax flipping. So also you can flip the art collections. It's not all about the gaming. You can use it as well in art, like as you like, as you want. But my recommendation, like if you're beginner, if you just novice, it's better to use them in the gaming, because like in the gaming platforms, in the gaming projects, this is a less probability that you will lose it, because all heroes they are using for something, they earn you some money. When you just buy an NFT, all you have to do is wait while its price is increasing. And when you buy a gaming NFT, you can do something with it, you can earn with it, you can back your money like somehow, and also earn on the price from it. Yeah, so you can use it on the art as well, on the flipping, on Solana, as you like. And the last 25% of our money, the last $250, we just keep them for the best opportunities. Like for example, all market was falling, just falling, and then you see like BTC hit the 30%, or the 30,000 for example, yeah, and you like just 100% sure it will go up again, it will turn over, so you like double your trading money. You use your $250 to buy from here, like buy the dip for example, and you use another 25% because you just saw a cool opportunity. Again, you can use it in collections, in gaming, not in staking I believe. So it's just all about when you see a cool opportunity, but that's not so often. It could be like once a week, once a month maybe, and it must be like 100% opportunity, because this money is like reserved for you, is like your plan B, your super hidden bank. So don't use it for everything, use it just when you see 100% opportunity. So guys, the video is finished. I've told you all what I've been thinking of. I've told you like my strategy, my current strategy that I use, that I will be using, how do I separate my money, and my recommendation to you to separate it like that as well, so your funds like diversify and you won't lose everything just in one deal, in one project, in one platform, or in one coin. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will really helps me a lot. So yeah guys, trade, stake, speculate, find some gems and earn from it. See ya.